Okay, today I'm going to take a look at a nice little Zippo Christmas gift I got from ED USAF. Okay, this is a normal Zippo black box, and this one says Guam seal. Of course, it's made in the USA. Genuine Zippo. Now this one was made in, looks like January of 16. Really good stampings. Bradford Pa, USA, made in USA. This is on a high polish case. So this will take fingerprints and scratches. This is going straight in the collection. I'm not going to fire it up or do a drop test. It's got a steel insert. And there you can see the seal of Guam. It's U.S. territory located way in the western part of the Pacific Ocean, north of Australia, south of Japan. Population of approximately 150,000. It was captured by the Japanese in 1941 and liberated in 1944. Its economy is supported mainly by tourism and the U.S. military. And of course it was made in the USA, so it definitely deserves some cowbell. And also a big thanks to ED USAF. He deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bump.